Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ali Khan once again from the platform of Makclub, and I extend a warm welcome to all of you over here. Today's video is dedicated to everyone who aspires to achieve something meaningful in life, to those who want to live a purposeful existence, and to anyone who dreams of becoming a successful individual. After all, it is hard to imagine a person so devoid of sense or ambition that they would not want to succeed. In this video, I will share with you 7 essential C-based principles, traits, and habits that can help you become a successful individual. By adopting these into your life, you can set yourself on a path towards success. But before we dive into these life-changing traits, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe so that we can embark on this exciting and transformative journey together. Let's begin by exploring these vital traits one by one. The first C is confidence. Confidence is the foundation of success. It is the trust you place in yourself, your ideas, your efforts, and your potential. Believing that you are doing holds value and is meaningful. But you have to stay focused. Don't allow distractions to sway you from your path. When you develop this unwavering confidence in yourself, no obstacle will be able to hinder your progress. Confidence gives you the strength to face challenges. The second C is courage. After confidence, the next crucial trait for success is courage. The bravery to take risks, the boldness to venture into the unknown, and the resilience to face difficulties. Courage is not easy. It is much harder to practice than it sounds. However, remember that big results require big steps, and big steps demand tremendous courage. Whenever someone tries to break away from societal norms or pursue a different path, they often face countless challenges. But it is courage that enables them to overcome these obstacles. When you show courage in the face of adversity and pair it with the other essential traits, success becomes inevitable. The third C is consistency. Consistency is a powerful force that can overcome any challenge. It is the key to achieving long-term goals and making progress, no matter how small, every single day. With consistency, you can conquer any mountain in your life. The process involves setting your goal and then working toward it with unwavering dedication, regardless of the circumstances. Whether it's stormy weather, harsh conditions, or day and night challenges, consistency keeps you focused and moving forward. If you maintain consistency, I assure you that you will become unbreakable and success will inevitably follow. Fourth C is concentration. Concentration means focusing your energy, time, and thoughts on a single purpose. It helps you avoid distractions and unnecessary tasks, providing you with the clear directions when you dedicate your full attention to your work. Not only does your performance improve, but you also develop the ability to make sound decisions even in challenging situations. Without concentration, one becomes aimless and the results often fall short of expectations. By cultivating concentration, you can achieve your goals more effectively. Another essential principle in the 7 C's for success is character. Your character reflects your true personality, values, and ethics. It serves as a foundation upon which lasting success is built. A strong character not only earns the trust of others but also establishes you as a person of respect in every sphere of life. Without character, success is often short-lived, as the saying goes. Ability may get you to the top, but it is character that will keep you there. The next vital component of the 7 C's is commitment. Achieving success requires complete dedication to your goals. Commitment is the promise you make to your dreams and responsibilities, and it is what compels you to pursue them with unwavering determination. As the famous quote says, commitment is what transforms a promise into reality. Commitment gives you the strength to face obstacles and instills the persistence needed to move forward. It aligns your efforts and focus in one direction, making even the most ambitious goals attainable. The seventh and final C, which is perhaps the most impactful, transformative, and defining element of success, is creativity. Creativity is the force that elevates an individual from ordinary to extraordinary. It enables you to generate new ideas, carve unique paths, and find innovative solutions to challenges. Creative individuals perceive the world differently, identifying opportunities where others see none. As the famous saying goes, creativity is seeing what everyone else has seen and thinking what no one else has thought. Creativity not only helps solve problems but also allows you to add uniqueness to your work. It gives your ideas a fresh perspective, whether it's an artistic endeavor, a groundbreaking business idea, or a personal goal. Without creativity, growth is limited, as the world always remembers and values what stands out. So, my friends, these were the 7 C's of success, a formula that anyone can adopt to become a successful individual. I hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your loved ones, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos where we will explore new topics and ideas together. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.